Hello guys, back again with another video. And if you guys can tell, I actually changed my name. If you saw the video that I made a couple of days ago, I think it was like 2 or 3 days ago. I forgot when I uploaded the video. But I said that this is gonna be a gaming channel, so much more fun and new games introducing. You can tell me what type of games you guys want me to play, and I'll be playing on my PS4 too, and recording this, so we can actually like try like new games like Black Ops, Call of Duty, NBA 2K, any game, like any shooter game, any sport game you can try. Yeah, so we're gonna have much fun, and this is a game I'm introducing to the channel. It's actually Subway Surfer. It's a pretty fun game, but like it's gonna be challenging. Like you have to beat records and all that, and yeah. So I really hope you guys like the video. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of game you guys want me to download on my phone. Cause right now I'm downloading games on my phone for now. Cause I don't have PS4 on my PS4, so I can't I can't play on the PS4. I don't have PS4, so I have to buy one and get one from the store or something like that. So right now I'm just playing on my phone and recording. So just tell me what type of you guys want me to do. I'll play the game. If it's fun, I might download. If it's fun, I'll put it in one of my videos. And remember, every comment that goes in my new video, like right now, if you comment on this video, it counts as a shout out. So if you comment on this video first, if this person, it's a shout out. And yeah, I haven't been doing those for a long time. I can't believe we actually hit 14 subscribers, guys. That's like insane. That's super cool. And if you saw my outro for my new for my video, I hope you actually liked it. I actually edited it instead of using my old outro that I edited. Like the 3D one was pretty cool and all, but like I actually love this outro. Like it was super cool. I don't think it was, like I had to edit for a couple of times. And I was busy. I told you I had a family member that passed. I'm not gonna say her name. I was literally I was going through that time. That's why I didn't play the video. And yeah, I was literally like I didn't know what to do. And if you guys wanna follow me on Facebook, it's actually Kane Smith, or follow me there. And if you do, thank you very much for following me. And I'll follow you back. On Facebook. And if you guys have a YouTube channel, just message me on Facebook if you guys have a YouTube channel, and I'll just say it on the YouTube channel instead of just like first commenting. You can sign in on Facebook. But if you don't have like a Facebook, you can just comment first. So yeah. And I'm gonna be making a tutorial how I make my videos and all, like how I do it. You know what's so insane? I already this, but like, we made 14 subscribers. Like, that's a new. I never got 14 subscribers that fast. Like, I'm literally like started a new channel just a couple months ago. I think it was a month ago. I'm not sure. But gosh, we already made 14 subscribers. That's insane. I think that's a good for now. 14 subscribers. I think this is pretty good. Let me see. I don't want to play I want to play some Subway Surfers. So if you guys want me to show you how to edit my videos, just let's see if we can at least get 1 like in this video. And if we do, then I'll do the tutorial and how I edit all my videos. And this is pretty cool because the app I'm using to edit my videos is actually on iOS and Android, so you can use, if you have an iOS, you can use it, or if you have an Android, you can use it too. So it doesn't matter what type of phone you have, you can still use it. So that's pretty cool. I think it's gonna be helpful for you guys who's starting a new channel, trying to edit their videos. I think it's gonna be a good start for you guys, because like this video editor can literally help you like do a lot of editing. If you want to buy, you can buy a full version, but like it only costs like at least $3 or $4 to actually buy a full version. So that's pretty cool. Well, where I live, it costs $3 US dollars, but it's pretty cool how you can just for $3 or $4. And I died. I'm gonna use one key, and I only have one key left. So yeah, you could use it on iOS, Android again. That's pretty cool. I think it's gonna be really helpful. I hope you actually love the. Oh, what's this? That's sick. I never seen this. Oh, that's dope. Oh, that's sick. I don't think you could do that. So yeah, the editor thing, I'm gonna do a video on it if we get at least one like. And if we do, I'll do it. What else? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, tomorrow's actually Halloween, so today 30th. Wait, hold up, I'm gonna pause my phone for this. You can see right here, today is the 30th, if you see where the time is, where the Wi-Fi location and all that. It's 11:53 where I am, Monday, October 30th. So tomorrow's gonna be Halloween. So I hope you're gonna. Happy early Halloween, to be honest. I'll be uploading a Halloween video tomorrow. It might be a vlog, or it could be some video that I'll be doing. It would be. I hope you actually the video that I'm about to do is a Halloween video. So yeah, it's gonna be a Halloween video. I think it's gonna help a lot. Like, not help a lot, but like entertainment. Ooh, I almost died there. Alright, we got a. What type of hoverboard was that? I've never seen a board like that. Let me get my own board. Oh, I got some keys up in here. Ooh. Oh yeah, guys. This is pretty cool. Like later in the future, if we get at least like 15 or 16 subscribers, I'll be making a music channel, like where I make music or some other stuff. If you guys want me to, I can make music videos for you guys, cause I have this app that I download. It's only on Android though, so I can download this app. Well, actually, I can do it on my laptop too, but like I don't use it for editing that much. But I will use it at one point of time. I used it before on one of my videos, but I forgot which one. But yeah, I actually used the laptop to edit some videos. And yeah, if we get at least 2 subscribers on this channel, it's something new to me. At least we get 2 subscribers. I would do a music channel, and you guys can like hear my music, what it is, and comment below if it's really good or not. I actually have some couple music videos on my channel right now. I think I uploaded like 3 or 2 like music videos, like those trap music, like the if you guys know who Trap Nation or Trap City, any of those guys, I actually make like music like them, but like on my laptop and my phone. But like I had to connect my phone to the like a hard drive to it so I can make the videos. And yeah, like I make some pretty good videos, but I think I did a tutorial on it a couple I think it was last month, that I actually made a tutorial how to make like a music video, and how I make them. And it was like an app that you guys can download if you guys have Android. I'm sorry, iOS users, that you can't use the app. It's like it doesn't work on iOS. So I'm very sorry for you guys that have iOS. I'll try to find an app for iOS. So if you guys have an iOS phone, like an Apple phone or iPhone, I'll tell you which app to edit like one of my videos, like mine. And yeah, but the editor that I'm using right now, with the adding music and all that, it's pretty dope. And I get a new high score. 81,745. That's not bad. I'm on the Bronze League. I'm glad I'm not down here because that's terrible. Bronze League. I want to get up to... I actually got to the Gold League, but it was like 3 or 2 years ago when I had this game at my old house. And I hadn't had a channel yet during that time, like 2 or 3 years ago. I haven't had a channel yet. And yeah. Let me edit this. We get 3 keys, right? Yeah, we get 3 keys from it. I need that gold key. I get like 8 keys from it. Oh, that one looks sick. These two. Manny. Zombie Jake. Okay, I never got this one. For $4, I might get it. 7,000. Oh, I'm almost close to getting that. I actually got the 12,000, the tag bot, and I actually got this before, the space outfit, but that was when I had the game like 2 or 3 years ago. So I got this character from Facebook, so I actually downloaded Facebook and I put my account on this. So yeah, I want to get this. This one looks so sick, the star outfit for Jake. So yeah. On my last video, I actually did on my last video, I'm gonna say it again. On my last video, I explained what I'm doing a gaming channel and all that. If you saw it, you might understand again. I'm just repeating the same thing that I just said, like in the beginning of the video. But there's one thing I actually missed. That. Oh shoot. Oh yeah. The videos that said that on the outro, if you saw the outro and the end of the video, if you stay tuned to the end of the video, it said video coming soon. I actually uploading that video on I think on the I don't know when I'm uploading it. I think I'm gonna upload it next week or in a couple days, so I can show you the video. So yeah, if you guys love the video, if you guys like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and leave a comment to get a shout out on my video, on my new videos, and I'll leave a shout out on one of my other videos. What else? Yeah, good luck. I hope you guys have a good day. Leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you want to know when my videos are coming out. So yeah, see ya.